guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Look what I have here. I have the bargain bead box for April of 2023. And I just got it yesterday in the mail and I had to do an unboxing. So excited. This is always such a fun box to receive. And I know a lot of you get this monthly box because it's a great price. So let's see what it says. The Bargain Bead Box Spring Blossoms. This springtime collection is bursting into bloom with gemstones, including pink rose quartz and green peridots, matte pink aventurine, gold finished hematite leaves, pastel crystals, and glass complete the palette, along with a set of high quality findings. Highlights include a pair of carved rose quartz beads, adorable enameled wreath drops, and articulated flower links. So I will leave the link below in the comments, or below in the description, to Bargain Bead Box if you are interested, if you don't know anything about it. Oh, look at this. Okay, it's nice, pretty, and you get a nice, pretty bag every month. I save these because they're nice to give as gifts, or, you know, if you want to make somebody something, or, oh, pretty. Oh, this makes me think of a Grecian god. Oh, pretty little petal spacer beads. Oh, look at these. Very pretty. Let me get set up and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're starting out with this beauty, a 7.5-inch strand of 10mm matte pink aventurine round beads natural. Oh, these are pretty. Very pretty. Holes are really nice. It's enough for a bracelet right here, just for yourself. Okay. Sorry, my throat and my nose is a little stuffy today. I'm doing this video very early because it's Easter weekend and my family's coming over and I have a lot of cooking to do, and so I wanted to get this done early. I'm having my coffee still. So number 2 is a 15-inch strand of peridot gemstone chip beads natural. Well, these are pretty. See these up close. Very tiny for chip beads. Usually chip beads are a little bit bigger, but that's kind of nice because when you get smaller chip beads like this, they don't stand out as much on the piece of jewelry, so they more blend in, so they can be used as more of an accent color, but yet they're not smooth, so they'll give a little bit of more texture to the piece that you're making. And number 3 is a 14-inch strand of 3.5 by 3mm crystal faceted rondo beads in a pastel mix. Oh, these are really pretty. They're really pretty. This is definitely springtime right here. Got some really pretty ideas for these beads already. And I love mixing the little bit of green with the pink. You know, I don't like pink on its own usually. I like to mix it with the color. A lot of times I'll do turquoise or I'll do purple, but I like the green with it too because it's a springtime color. And number 4 is a 14.5-inch strand of 6mm frosted glass beads in pink ombre gold. Oh, you could see I don't know if you could see the gold sparkles on them. I'm not, like right there. Let me open this up and kind of, I don't know if you can see them. There's like little hints of them. It's not like, you know, a lot. It's just a little here and there. So kind of like if you're wearing it, you'll see little hints here and there of it. Very pretty. And number 5 is a 15-inch strand of 8mm rose quartz round beads dyed. Oh, look at these. Nice long strand. Very pretty. Okay. Number 6 is a 24.5mm handmade lampwork glass pink flower bead. Oh, this is pretty. And the hole is right through there. Oh, this is really pretty. This would be really pretty, like, if you did something, like if you took, let me see what else. I mean, you could take one of, like, these tiny little green ones right there, because that would stand out instead of pink against pink. Maybe one of those little green ones, and put it in there, and put a little, like a little head pin with a little dot or something on it, and then have a hole back here, and then make that the focal. I think I have my first necklace. Make that the focal, and then even have something hanging from this. I think I have my first necklace tutorial. Okay. And number 7 is 4 pieces of 15 by 10mm 24 karat gold plated stainless steel lever back ear wires. Oh, that's nice. 24 karat gold. Yeah, and this is how they open like this. It's nice. Okay, and number 8 is 1 meter of 2.5mm. I can't talk this morning. 18 karat gold plated stainless steel jewelry chain. Oh, okay. That's nice. Let me get these. And these are really pretty. 20 piece of 6mm synthetic hematite leaf beads, golden, man-made. Oh, these are pretty. This looks like something. Does it reminds me of like a Grecian god. They'd wear these around their heads. Very pretty. I've got some really nice, really cool ideas for this box. I can't wait to start working with it. And number 10, I think we got this before. Maybe it's a little different. 2 pieces of 14mm rose quartz carved rose beads natural. I'm not sure if, because I think we got them last spring. And no, they're a teeny bit different, I think. So they didn't have, they've got like a little bit of an indent right there. But I remember getting something like that. But they're pretty. There's a lot of possibilities with this box. Very excited about this. And number 11 is 10 grams, 5.5 by 2mm corrugated rondelle beads, gold, lead, nickel, and cadmium free. Oh, these are nice. There's one of them right there. Very pretty. Get those falling out. Okay. Number 12 is 30 pieces of 6mm leaf bead caps, lead, nickel, cadmium free. These are pretty. I like these bead caps that are leaf like this, and it goes good with the motif for this box. And you could put this in front. I don't know if that would work. No, never mind. I was just thinking, or you could open it up the other way, like this maybe. I'm just focusing on this one. Yeah, I mean, you could maybe open it up this way and put one little, like a little green bead in there, and the contrast of the colors laying against one another would really come out. Oh, these are really pretty. Number 13 is 2 pieces of 20 by 21 millimeter flower and bee enameled wreath charms. Oh, how cute are these? Let me see those. Look at the little bees on there. Oh, look at this. These are really pretty. I don't know if I've ever gotten anything like this before from Bargain Bead Box. Got them up close. Oh, how cute are these? And that's the back of them. How pretty. And number 14. Oh, number 14 is a 2-piece 58 by 15 millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass 5-flower articulated links, nickel free. Oh. Okay, so see, they're connected right there, if you could see that. Let me see. Oh, okay. Oh, these are pretty. Now, these would make really pretty earrings. See, and then there's a little hole up there. Connect them some. Or this would be really pretty dangling off a choker. You know, like if you did something and you had that hanging off the choker. These are very pretty. I don't think we've ever gotten anything like this before from Bargain Bead Box. Very pretty. Number 15 is 2 sets of 30.5 by 22 millimeter 18 karat gold plated toggle clasps. Oh, these are pretty. I like the little squiggly on it. Gives it some interest. Gives it some texture. See, that's how it goes. They're really pretty. And number 16 is a 5-inch strand of 3.5 millimeter peridot microfaceted round beads. Oh, these are pretty. I don't know if you can see, they have, because they're faceted, plus there's a lot of texture in that bead, and the color. You can see, like, there's different speckles in there. This one's a little darker, or that one, but I don't know, I'm holding it up too close. I don't know if it's getting blurry, but it's very pretty. And last but not least, this is really pretty. 35 by 31 millimeter rose quartz faceted round pendant with brass. Natural. Oh, this is gorgeous. These kind of, especially when they're round like this screams choker to me. I don't know. They just do. It's just the style of it. This would be pretty. I mean, you could like do something with this and mix this color in like that. And you could just, I mean, you could just take this and do like a simple choker necklace. That'd be really pretty for the summer months coming up. Oh, this was a really pretty box. I was really happy with it. Lots to work with. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I will leave the link below to Bargain Bead Box, and I will leave the link below to all my social media. And please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I have lots of stuff coming up, lots of different things I'm working on. I've kind of got an idea for something different this month with my boxes I undo, but I have to undo them all and see if it'll work. And it might not, this month might not be the month, but if it is, you will definitely know. So thanks for watching, and you guys have a great day, and I'll see you on my next video.